People think that Europe has been explored from end to end and there are no surprises left, but I'm going to a desert. Yeah, desert. Right here in southern Europe, in the center of Balkan Peninsula. So stick with me because I'm also shocked and I have no bloody idea what to expect. Next couple of kilometers I have to walk. I'll show you why in a minute. But this place, so far so good, looks promising. Take a look. And probably you're wondering, where is the freaking desert, right? Here it is. All these hills actually are dunes, just covered by the small layer of ground of the surface with the grass and all that stuff. This is actually the very bottom of the prehistoric sea, Pannonian Sea. This is highland, so probably that was a Miami Beach of the Pannonian Sea. This is why I'm walking. This is the obstacle which is impossible to pass by my car. With my sleek summer tires, it's just impossible. One day, probably, fingers crossed, the YouTube's algorithm finally will fall in love with my channel and it will be showing my videos to thousands of beautiful people, and finally I will get some monetization from my channel. That's the exact moment I'll buy a proper off-road vehicle to visit the places like this. Yeah? Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. What a place! Isn't that just beautiful? I just love all these layers. I do think this is amazing. Am I right? And I also think that this place is made for the drones. To be honest, this is definitely not what I have expected. Is it worse? Not at all. Is this place at least interesting? Yeah, for sure. I believe this monument in this place is an amazing subject for the astrophotography, for example, because there are no lights here, I hope, I don't know. So if there is no light pollution here, this monument is a perfect subject foreground for the astrophotography shot. Just imagine those hills scaling down with this monument as a foreground subject, a little bit lit up. It should be beautiful, but for sure today I will not stay here till night. I'm not prepared for this adventure. My plan is to wait here at this particular place for the golden hour, which is supposed to be happen like in an hour and a half. And probably way before the actual golden hour, with relief, all these hills or dunes should look pretty three-dimensional on any photo. Imagine yourself in a situation like this. Will you wait for a couple of hours for the golden light in a place like this? Let me know in the comments. It's pretty windy. I have to hold this camera because it's already dropped several times. So if any nice tripod manufacturer is watching, please get in touch. Oh my gosh. So I kept trying to remember what this place reminded me of, and I did. It's the Shire. You know where the hobbits live, the Shire. This is exactly how I imagined it. Well, if you take out all this oversaturation in the movie, probably one August Saturday Shire could look something like this, right? I've got some company on the other dune, couple of tents with two families, and they arrived right here by the off-road vehicle. Pretty nice for them. I think those clouds look promising. I just can imagine those clouds colored by the sunset. I just have to wait for that moment. I just need something to fill this time with time before the sunset. Sometimes landscape photography is pretty boring, despite the fact this place is amazing. By the way, could you imagine this place during the sunrise with this small amount of fog? It should be just gorgeous. Unfortunately, this is not one of those places where you can just wait for the sunrise, unless you got the off-road vehicle and the tent like these guys. I have to wait here for yet another hour. So let's play the game. While I'm waiting, please comment to this video anything. You can just tell me your name, for example, or you can say just "Hello Pavel, nice to see you again," or anything else. Something nice while I'm waiting for the sunset, please. This is very important for the bloody YouTube's algorithm, as I understand it. One mountain here is the mountain over the city of Vršac, which is famous for its winery. This is the very winery region of Serbia. So we are not far from the border between Romania and Serbia, and those mountains, these high ones, are already in Romania. This is the pearl of Deliblatska peščara, which is Deliblatska desert actually. Peščara means desert. I'm not sure I get all the sentences from this desk here, but seems like this region, this place is very, very important in terms of biodiversity and all that stuff, because this is some kind of unique landscape for Serbia and for Europe. I was waiting for a couple of hours here, waiting for the sunset, and it's pretty much already here. It's golden hour already, as you can see by this amazing light. And I was wondering why such a beautiful place is so empty. I saw just one family on another hill with the tent, Pretty much all the rest of this area was dedicated just for me. I planned several shots for the golden light, and then things were changed. First, a couple of bikers arrived and they started to cook something. I believe they were planning to make a campfire by this monument on the top of the hill, right in the position I was thinking to stay and take those shots. And that's not a problem. I'm okay if someone are arriving and doing their thing by me. It's not very comfortable, but okay. But by the next several minutes, yet another couple of camper girls arrived, hiked right in the position I was planning to shoot, and they placed their tent right by this tree I was planning to shoot. They just ruined my shot. So, can you ask some stranger in the hill not to camp at this particular position because you are planning to take a shot of this place, this exact place? Can you do this? Can you ask someone not to camp? For some reason, I don't know why, but I can't do this. I believe my attempts to take a shot is not that important, and at least it's not more important than their attempt to camp at this particular place. Please let me know in the comments what will you do in a situation like this. I have no bloody idea what to do next. At least I can take a shot with some beautiful rays of light. Here is the thing about this place and majority of beautiful places in Serbia. Places of natural beauty of this small Balkan country. This place here in Serbia deserves to be a real tourist attraction. If this place was situated in Austria, for example, this exact piece of natural beauty would provide millions of euro of income to the government of this area, of this region and the country. But here in Serbia we have nothing here. We have gravel road, we have no parking spots, we have no souvenir shop, we have no guides with excursions here. I can see the beauty, but I want someone to explain me what exactly do I see right now, because in other case I should walk with the guidance of the Wikipedia on my phone. This place could be an amazing natural attraction. If you are in a search for the option of investment, consider Serbia, because here are plenty of places like this, which are yet absolutely wild. All of those places are just waiting for some investor to come and to make a road, to put the souvenir shop, to put the restaurant here, to make some trails by these hills or any place you name it, to make money. Because Serbia is a country of endless opportunities in terms of natural tourism, and all of these opportunities are just empty. There are no competition. Keep it in mind and plan your next vacation in Serbia. So thank you very much for joining me here, and thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all your comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.